Hello, this is a GOOFIT cylinder kit, carburetor air filter and ignition coil set. Package includes a 19mm carburetor and an air filter. You can manually control the airflow. Cab manifold diameter is 19mm. Air filter diameter is 58mm. This is a cylinder head. Connect the A7TC Spark Pro. The cylinder size is 44mm. The package also comes with some gaskets and screws. And this one is a ignition coil. This product replacement for two-stroke 47cc, 49cc, 53, 54cc engine, most pocket bike, mini bike, dirt bike, middle quad ATV, and mini racing bike. Premium quality, professional manufacturing, high quality assurance. This product have high toughness, corrosion resistant, rust-proof and durable for long life service. We have two colors available, gold and red. Each product comes with a nice keychain. Please scan the QR code. Follow us on Facebook. Please search links below for more product information. Thanks for watching.